What do we have here? I don't know. You gotta tell me about it.
What is up, Garage Couple fans? Guess what? Our Rubicon left us stranded once again. Now, if you followed along our journey of building this Rubicon, you know that this is not a new thing for us. We were literally just talking about how reliable it has been when it did not start. We actually got some footage when it happened. Why don't we flash back and see exactly what happened? What is going on? What is going on here?
Greg, what happened?
I don't understand.
But
it's working. So it's working now. We'll take it.
Oh
that
boy.
Was very strange. Probably I think I know what it might be.
What?
And I have the part too at home.
What does it tell us?
I think it might be the crankshaft or camshaft position sensor.
Stuck at Lowe's.
So as you can see, it left us stranded at a Lowe's, and I basically, the first thing I tried to do is, oh my gosh, like this car has given us so many exotic problems with not starting that I'm thinking like clutch release, the clutch switch, I'm thinking PCM, thinking that kind of thing. Didn't even occur to me that it might be the starter. So what I did was I grabbed a hammer, I hit the starter underneath the vehicle, and it fired right up. Luckily for me, I didn't have to keep waiting for AAA to come bail us out. And also, AAA doesn't carry passengers right now, and it was a mess because my mom was with us, it was the three of us. They had to lift it back home. Mess. But in any case, today we are replacing the starter using this replacement unit. Link will be in the description, as well as all of our other mods that we have on this Jeep TJ. So feel free to check out the comments and the description below. Now we are on a time crunch. We're gonna try to do this very, very quickly using nothing but simple hand tools. So why don't we go ahead and get started?
Let's do it. Let's get this baby back on her feet.
Look at that sunset. Oh my God. I am off work. I get to leave a little early. It's 6:30 a.m. I get to leave early because I did not admit any patients overnight, so I don't have to stay around to present anyone. It is like 80 degrees outside. Look at how beautiful it is. I mean, what more could you ask for? So time to get home and to start installing some Jeep stuff. Now let me show you what I had to use to commute because my TJ just wouldn't do it this time. Here we are. You guys have seen this in some of my videos. If you're wondering what YUM LDL means, LDL is the bad cholesterol for you. Just thought it would be a good play on words. Let's get home. What's up? Why don't you want to help me do the starter?
I do not want to help you. I just have work to do.
A little busy taking care of Jerry over here with mango on his face. Isn't that right, Jerry? Brand new inside and out. Isn't that? Time to go check in on Auline. Let us see if she's able to help us out. Maybe I can do it without her. Maybe we can do it with her. Let's see.
And then we are going to get started. Everybody's doing good. Thumbs up if you guys want.
Doesn't look like she's able to. I think she might have a break, but in any case, let's get this ball rolling. Guess who has a little break?
Me.
Let's do it. What time is it exactly, Auline?
It is 11:45.
Let's see how long it takes us to get the job done, recording it and also figuring things out.
Sounds like a good plan.
Let's do it. Let's see if she'll fire up today for us. I don't know that it's gonna happen. All right, key goes in the ignition here. Fired right up. That is hilarious. Okay. this replacement, we are using this TYC unit. Check it out, brand new, non-rebuilt, non-refurbished. It actually comes with a sheet of paper that tells you exactly how it tested on their dynamometer.
What?
Whatever. So here it is with the gear in there. So it's as simple as taking out screw number 1 and screw, wait a minute, and screw number 2.
Per usual, just a couple of simple hand tools.
So in case you're wondering, your starter lives right over here. Look at that awesome control arm. That is the starter right over there. That is the positive terminal and then the start wire. And then you can see the screws on this side. There's one on either end. Let's begin. Very first thing you're gonna do is disconnect the negative terminal on your battery just so you don't shock yourself. Isn't that right, Ollie?
That is right, Greg.
How are we doing on time?
11:50.
6 minutes. Lovely.
I know we are somewhat on a time crunch, you guys, but make sure to hit that subscribe button. We have a huge giveaway at 10,000 subscribers, you guys. We're giving away a lift kit, the same lift kit that's on my JK that I absolutely love. So make sure to hit that subscribe button. Also, check us out on Instagram at Garage Couple. Now, let's get back to this fix.
Very first step, let's remove that signal wire, which is right over here. Just clips right out. There we are. Next, we're gonna remove this. I believe that's a 13mm nut. This is the screw on the bottom, and that one is the screw on the top. Let's see what happens when we remove it. I'm gonna start off with the one on the bottom.
In case you're wondering, he is using a 15 mil.
One bolt is out.
One to go.
Bolt number 2 is out. Looks to be a little longer. Make sure the short one is for the top, long one is for the bottom. Now the old starter can come out.
It's a tight fit there, huh, Greg?
Pretty tight fit. Check this out. Looks like it's seen better days. Looks like it has some oil residue. But there we are. Now we just slip the new one in. Let's compare it to the new one. Let's check that out. Why don't we check the time? 11:58. So when did we start?
45.
So 13 minutes to be at this point. They look pretty similar. They look identical, except for how clean this one is. So why don't we go ahead and put this one back in?
Let's do it. Can anybody find Greg?
This tire actually works really nicely as a back support.
Uh-huh. We wrapping up shop or what, Greg?
We are wrapping up shop. Time to put the prongs back into place.
Okay.
That's one.
Seems pretty straightforward. Greg, is one screw in or both?
Both screws are in.
Awesome. And what's left? Just the prong and we're good to go?
The red terminal now.
Awesome.
Flat washer, lock nut.
Sounds about right. And we're done. Right, Greg?
Well, let's reconnect the battery
Oh yeah, forgot. Let's do it. We're almost done.
and fire it up. Moment of truth. Let's fire it up, see what happens.
Wash our hands.
Okay.
Let's check the time. We are at 12:03. Probably a record for one of the fastest installs.
All right, guys, wish me luck here. Time to fire it up. Let's see what happens. Wow, that start is nuts. Unbelievable. Fired right up. That was a really, really powerful start. She is purring like a kitten. That was such a powerful, powerful start. You've never heard that one before? Rawr.
And she is purring like a kitten, ladies and gentlemen.
What's up, cool cats and kittens?
Let's not do that. Someone's
What?
excited.
What?
Someone's
What?
excited that the TJ is working.
What?
All right.
So thank you all for watching this video. if we have learned any lesson from this experience whatsoever, it is that if you have a Jeep TJ, and if you haven't changed the starter, and if you have $75 in your pocket, then just go ahead and change it out if you also have 30 minutes in your backhand as well. So
I think that's what we learned.
if all of those conditions align and you don't like being left stranded, just change out your starter. I mean, you saw how quick it is. Hopefully this video guides you. It literally takes 20-30 minutes. We showed you. So yeah, I feel like I have a lot of adrenaline. Installs usually last a little longer, so my adrenaline response usually carries me a little longer than this, you know?
Yeah.
What's
for
next?
Sure. For sure. That's it, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to hit that subscribe button. We have a lot of giveaways coming up. Big one at 10,000 subscribers.
Almost.
We are giving away a lift kit, and it's the same lift kit on my JK that I absolutely love. We'll put a link above also for you to check out the install and our review of the lift kit. Other than that, check us out on Instagram at Garage Couple, and we'll see you guys
And
soon.
for now, please embark on your horse as we walk away.
I can't. Bye. See you guys later.
So what I will do next is I will grab my wife
Oh my gosh. Huh.
and I will get out of here.